Hello, I want to share a video with you. It's an encouraging video. Um, if you guys don't know or didn't know or unaware, I wanted to actually touch on something that on June 21st, 2020, this event's going to happen in a couple days. A unique solar eclipse will happen and will be seen mostly over the continents of Africa and Asia, as well as some other countries. But also be the shortest and deepest solar eclipse of 2020. It'll be about a minute long. What I mean by the shortest and deepest is the way that the moon revolves around the Earth. It's going to be like the furthest away from the Earth. So, with perspective from the Earth in between the sun, the moon's going to be, appear smaller. So the 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 attractiveness of the solar eclipse um, will be very high. It'll be really cool to look at. Um, Also, about 90%, 99, excuse me, about 99% of the sun will be covered by the moon. So, biblically, the symbology describes that the moon reflects the sun, or you can say reflects God's glory. You can check that out in Malachi 4:2, 1 Corinthians 15:41, Revelation 21:23, also the church. Um, so that's Song of Solomon 6:10. While the sun, it represents God. So that's Genesis 37:9 through 10. So the eclipse can also mean that, you know, our way of thinking, our flesh, religion, the church, getting in the way of the glory of God, or when God tends to move in your life, that you happen to get in the way of things. You can see that in Job 25:5-6, 1 Corinthians 15:41. Also about the coming tribulation, Matthew 24:29, and Mark 13:24. So in summary, this is not meant to frighten you. That's not my intent. I want this to encourage you. This event will take place after the solar solstice. So my understanding, that's the day where we have the most or the longest amount of daylight. So we'll have two celestial events that weekend, the solar eclipse and the solstice. Also, two celestial bodies involved in all this will be the sun and the moon. So the number 2 demonstrates unity. So don't be like the moon, drifting away into the dark, being distracted by other things in life. God wants you to enjoy your relationships. He wants you to enjoy a relationship. He doesn't want you to be involved with, say, religion. He wants you to enjoy relationship, not necessarily religion, just tradition, customs, and practices, and so on. There's no faith in that. So make the weekend special, make the day special. Honor your father, because it also happens to fall on Father's Day. Enjoy the holiday and spend time with your loved ones. Also, I can't forget that this 2020 solar solstice, solar eclipse is also going to be my first Father's Day on this event. So in all this, God bless you guys. Be encouraged by this message, and spend time with your families and make it a unique day. God bless you.